Greetings everyone, it's San Diego estate planning attorney Christina Hess, and in this video I'm discussing with you how to plan for your vacation home. As an estate planning attorney, I often help families create plans to pass on their home to their loved ones when they're no longer here. In some families, there's also a vacation home to plan for. Vacation homes can be tricky for a couple of reasons. First, vacation homes aren't just filled with things. They're filled with memories, and oftentimes there's a lot of emotional history that's tied to vacation homes. Some family members can become so emotionally attached to a vacation home that the thought of selling the home or splitting the proceeds with other heirs is just not palatable to them. When this is the case, I recommend that families confront these issues head on. Do the parents or the owners of the vacation home want to keep the vacation home in the family? Is it economically feasible to keep the vacation home in the family? If it isn't, then I recommend you address these issues with your loved ones, your children, your grandchildren, or the other heirs up front. Address the issues head on, and even if not keeping the home in the family goes against their wishes, your wishes are the ones that will be implemented in your plan. And discussing these with them ahead of time can avoid will contests, hurt feelings, and problems down the road. In other cases, the family members may not want to use the vacation home because it's impractical, or maybe they want to just have the vacation home as an investment property that will provide income for generations to come. If this is the Clint case, then it's important to work with a lawyer with the knowledge and expertise to facilitate this within a trust so that probate is avoided and the trust is set up in such a way that the vacation home can be maintained and that there's adequate funds to fund the house over time to cover expenses such as taxes, insurance, maintenance, and other costs and fees. Finally, when planning for a vacation home, some of the other things to keep in mind include whether or not the heirs live close enough to actually use the home. Could you leave the vacation home to one family member and then leave other assets to other family members of equal value? Do you have someone that you trust who can be the trustee of the trust that holds the vacation home? Could some family members buy out other family members' interest in the home or be given a right of first refusal? Finally, is it okay if the property is rented out while it's not in use to cover some of the taxes, fees, and other maintenance costs? There's so many variables that go into play when planning for a vacation home that it's really important that you work through these issues with a knowledgeable and experienced professional. A vacation home can be an incredible legacy that you leave for future generations if the planning is done right. This has been San Diego Trust and Estate Attorney Christina Hess, and I'd be happy to assist you with any of your planning needs.